Sawadika. Welcome to Thai Day 2025 at ACIS.
This year, we're taking you on a journey across Thailand's 4 amazing regions: North, Central, Northeast, and South. Let's celebrate together!
And then the magic began.
From the graceful dances of Central Thailand to the energetic rhythm of the South, every performance brought Thailand's culture to life. Thai music filled the air as our talented friends played traditional instruments. The sounds were just as beautiful as the culture they represent.
And Thai Day isn't just about performances.
We got to taste delicious food, make cool crafts, and learn so much about different traditions from across Thailand. Of course, we had lots of fun too. We played traditional games, joined hands-on activities, and made unforgettable memories with friends. Thai Day at ACIS was full of music, dances, food, and fun.
Thank you for celebrating with us. See you next year. ขอบคุณค่ะ